Got Sqweeks from Transformers, man. I don't care what anyone says about how derpy this thing looks. It was a cool model. I like variation of colors. I like the detailing. It looks better, in my opinion, when there's details. Color details. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. 2049 details. Transformers. I tried to say trans and fur at the same time. Sqweeks. Get a good look at my boy Sqweeks. Here's derpy eyes. It's like shattered glass. So this model was actually terribly written. The instructions was garbage, I believe. If I remember correctly. Garbage instructions. Absolutely garbage. I love the platform. I like the platform. It's got texture. It's got paint. Got words, apparently. Didn't know it got words, but... Oh, the backpack. I don't even remember putting that stuff on there. But apparently I put stuff on there. Can't remove it, can I? Nope. That's attached. Derpy helmet. Got them cracks, that rust. This guy, he's been through stuff, I must say. He's been through some stuff, you know? Like, he can't even grab things. Look, he can't even grab things. He's got bike handles as hands. He doesn't even have... How is he carrying a backpack of tools? He doesn't even got hands. Bruh. He's also missing a mirror. Oh man, feel sorry for this guy. Let's get some poses. He's got a peg and a wheel. The almighty Sqweeks. Look at him. He's a king. A king. Look at him. You gotta admire the Sqweeks. Okay, bye.